Today we're going to start making our transformation from washing machine to fire pit. First thing we need to do is to mark where we want to make our cuts so we avoid making a lot of excess scrap. So I'm going to do that now with some tape and paint lines on it for you so we know where to cut. I'll be back in just a moment. Alright, we've successfully taped where we need to paint our lines. So now we just need to paint so we make sure we do this with the least amount of lines possible. Okay, let's begin. Stage 1. Go with some stage 2 here. See. We should be getting a good idea of where we need to start making our first cuts. Alright, so let that dry for just a few minutes and then we'll take it. Okay, there it is. It's dried, the tape is off. Now we're ready to start cutting. Some people requested that we do lots of sparks and a grinder. A couple people said safety and use hand tools, so we're going to try and please everyone with this. Let me get my tools and we'll get started. Okay, so out of respect for the people that wanted me to use hand tools, I will try to attempt this. My hand tools of choice today are a screwdriver and a hammer. And this is for you, Sam. It's not working out. We're gonna have to go to the grinder. All right, we tried the hand tools, that didn't work. So our next weapon is the angle grinder with cutoff blade. But as always, safety is key in this. We're gonna wear our goggles. And I don't wear bitch mittens. So we're good. Everything's safe. Let's get ready to grind. Let's go.